Question 7. Right, so it's just another application of our BODMAS or PEMDAS um, rule in terms of the order in which we perform these arithmetic operations. So first of all, we can rewrite this problem so it looks a little more manageable. Notice you have brackets involved in this question, unlike question number 6, where there weren't any brackets. So we must focus first on solving whatever is within those brackets or parentheses before we could proceed with the rest of the steps. So, couple things to note. This line here, usually called your vinculum, signifies division. So this question could have been rewritten as another division sign being used there. And then you have brackets 8 by 2. So two sets of brackets involved, right? Let's put it in. So if we go in with BODMAS, then we must first work our operations within the brackets. So let's take the one on top. Within the brackets, there's a subtraction, two signs, operations, minus, subtraction, and division. So based on BODMAS, which one should be performed first? Yes, you are right. The division followed by the subtraction. So let's do that. So if we divide first, 40 divided by 5 will give us 8. This becomes 120 minus 8. And then we are dividing this by 8 by 2. Remember, you're working brackets. So let's focus on the top first. So 120 minus 8 will give us 112. And then 8 multiplied by 2, 16 will be our value in your denominator. So this becomes 112 divided by 16. And we can do one of two things. We can simplify this further. Let's see what the calculator gives us. Seven. So this becomes 7. That's our answer. All right. So I don't think there's much to say concerning our PEMDAS, but let's double check it. Basically the same thing, division, again, being done before subtraction with your parentheses working first, which is basically what we did, but let's do it again. So if we work our brackets or parentheses, this will give us 120. We are dividing, so it becomes basically the same problem as 120 minus, you divide first before you subtract. So 40 divided by 5 will give us 8. And then the numerator part again will give us our 112. And when we work the parentheses in the denominator, all right, let me not introduce that format. That's how we saw it with the first approach. Let's keep the division signs running. So I'll write exactly how we have it, right? So it's 120 minus 8 divided by 8 by 2, 16. So this becomes 112 divided by 16. And then we know the answer to that will be 7. So that's the end of question number 7. So keep up the good work, and thank you for taking the time to join me on this video.